Hi, folks. My name is Greg. I'm from a small town just outside of Cleveland, Ohio. Um, I originally came across Jack's work while looking for some, just some guidance on, cleaning up, my credit report. Where my wife and I are, looking at, either buying or building a new home. We've got kids. A lot of important things. Really no different than you. Um, but I found Jack's work, found it to be very interesting, and the more I looked into it, I said, "This is something that I need to do. I need to take advantage of." Um, I had been communicating back and forth with a couple of the mentors in Jack's program, and Saleha, first of all, thank you for all your guidance and your help. It's been it's been great. I have nothing but great words to say about Jack and his team. So the first thing that I did was I purchased the trust packet, filled it out. Very 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 simple. Read it over a few times. I applied for my EIN, which I received. Once again, a matter of moments. The next step was that I took it down to the bank, where I had very easily opened up my bank account for the trust. I have my initial deposit, received all my checks. So we're engaging in commerce with the trust outside of the person. The next step was to develop the corporate credit. So that's where I'm at right now in the process of everything. I do have the filing ready to go for the trust to establish it with the state, so they're aware of who it is or what it is. And then the next step is to build that credit profile for the trust, access the credit, but also develop more knowledge and workings through other programs that Liberty Aid has to offer. My kids are going to be taught this same process so that they can operate knowledgeably and effectively, and in the way that God meant us to do it. I really appreciate all the work that Jack has put into it. It is, I'm sure, very, sure now you're seeing thanks to him, but I'm sure at the time for everything that he has gone through was completely thankless. So now it's my turn to say thank you, Jack, and the team that you've established in bringing this out to even more people. I am always open to any questions that you people may have. Feel free to reply to me. Look me up. I'm all over the place. But above all, believe in what you have here. I know I do, and it has held up, to the word there. Doing great things, and the best is yet to come. So peace be with you all. Love you, and thank you, Jack.